Coffee dark roast. The fourth dark roast coffee. The hue of dark roast coffee is dark brown. Having an oil glossy surface, usually black roasts have a thick body with a rich, sweet flavor and little acid. Observation: usually this coffee have a rich traditional coffee flavor for a dinner. To get a darker roast, just a cooking for a longer time at a higher temperature, which supports faster production but may cause a bird to taste bean if not appropriately observed at all time. The long roast time brings out the bean oil that is visible in the brew and yields a powerful, occasionally unpleasant flavor. The best coffee beans to use are darker ones. Medium dark roast. Several roasts are done for medium dark roast, more minutes than a medium rare roast until the coffee beans start puffing once again. This phase is known as a second crack and signifies the completion of a coffee. A medium dark roast could yield undertones of bittersweet dark chocolate. Medium brown in color. Medium roast coffee hue a bean surface devoid of oil. Typically, medium roasts are sweeter than balanced and having more body than a mild roast acidity. This is exquisite outcome of natural coffee taste that complement an even mellow taste. The typical roasts are medium roast. A medium roast highlights the nutty flavor, hints of flavor in the bean. Good medium roast will have a nice flavor, brewed using a multitude of techniques. Above automated drip coffee maker and espresso is a really tasty and adaptable roast for most coffee enthusiasts. The best light roast of coffee. A coffee that has been light roasted is called method of roasting that yields pale brown matte surface coffee beans. This type of roast is used to maintain peculiar qualities of coffee. Unlike coffee with a dark medium roast, the flavor is mild and reminiscent of roast brown grain. Light roast has impressive acidity, nice flavor, and smooth body. The result of mild roasting is careful adjusting until we observe the likelihood of coffees drawn that is entirely unfamiliar in the coffee business. Light roast then turns into coffee, roasted just enough to allow for natural. The calf allows flavors to bloom. Typical name for light roast include New England Light Cinnamon Roast. How should I grind my beans? These are types of grinds in coffee. Coarse grind. These larger coffee grinds is best for brew methods that involves immersion in water like French press. Medium coarse grind. This slightly smoother but still fairly large coffee grind is ideal to use with the most pour-over brewers like a Chemex. Medium grind. This sandy texture coffee grinds is one of the most popular grind, perfect for drip brewing coffee makers and AeroPress. Medium fine grind. This grind is like the silky sand but doesn't stick together and is another excellent choice for most pour-over brewers. That's why we make this the grind size of the ground coffee. Fine grind. This silky grind is finer than table salt. A fine grind is a perfect choice for espresso machines. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video presentation of Group 1.